Today we will make Wolverine's Claw. So first I have made here one template, and this template's links is in the description box below, so you can check it out. Now you will cut this template into the pieces that I have marked. I have made 6 pieces of Wolverine's each claw. Not each claw, the whole is 6 pieces. So now I will transfer this all template into cardboard. Like this I have transferred, means made the templates out of cardboard, and I have made here two like rectangular strips in which we can attach the claws. There are total 6 claws, and the last rectangular piece is of 2, means you have to cut it twice. And now I will place the templates and arrange it. This will go in that like this, and the last one will go like this. Now you will paste the templates twice. Like this I have pasted it, and now it has become one single piece. Total 3 claws and one strip to attach the claws. Like this I will put the claws in my hand so that I can have an idea where to paste it. Like this I will paste it on this large strip of rectangular. I will paste it all. But before pasting, you will color these all strips. But one more thing is left to be done, that is, I have cut small strips of paper of 0.8 centimeter so that I can cover the edges, means the cardboard edges. And now you will paste it. Like this I have pasted on the claws and colored it with I have colored it with silver gray. You can choose any gray, dark gray, and I have given some patches of white so that it looks realistic. I have made marks on the rectangular sheet of cardboard, the rectangular piece, so that I can arrange the claws one by one in order, and like this you will arrange it, and you will paste it with the help of super glue. I am using your Fevikwik. You can use any super glue, and by that your Wolverine claw is ready. Like this you will wear it, and your Wolverine claw is ready. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.